Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add a workplace on Facebook PC. We start by entering our Facebook profile. Next, we click on the About tab. After that, we click on the Add a Workplace section. Now we will be able to add all the information about our workplace, including whether we want it to be public or private information. We will apply the changes with Save. Finally, we will see that our workplace has been added to the information and also to our profile details. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.